Checking the local scrapyard out for springtime sales. Found this, but it's upside down. It's not still lower season. Found this. This is kind of nice. It's got a little compression. I don't know about how much. Yeah, not a lot. It's a Scott's one. It's 4 wheels, so it's kind of heavy duty. And we just found this. Seems pretty cool. Check this out. We haven't done anything to it. We haven't primed or nothing. Now we're looking. We got the lawnmower out. Look what else he found. Steel concrete saw. Let's just play with this for a second. T450, 540. Can't tell you. So that's got to go in the compression release that was stuck in there.
Yeah, well, there's something else that goes with it too.
Let's see what happens. Here's the little steel saw. TS, I think 408. The scrapyard. We got the run. It was missing. The pin fell out for the compression release, so we just put a block off in the compression release. It won't shut off on its own, so we got the cover off, sort of, and we're cleaning the contacts. So hopefully we got a good ground to shut it off on its own. Here is our finished scrapyard saw. A couple things. The main issue was the compression release was broke off. The pin from it went into the cylinder, caused the cylinder not to go, the piston go any higher, so it appeared lock. Because if it can't go all the way to the top, it won't come all the way to the bottom unless you manually push it. Take the spark plug out. So you put a bypass in there. This cover had it would not shut off, first of all. This cover has a rod in there that pushes down to shut the coil off. Pushes 2 pieces of brass or copper contacts together. Another one, this has got a little cut in it, but they all have cuts in the belt guard because they leaned against something. It's got the 14-inch, which is worth more money. And it's got the water. Some towns make you have the water thing so you don't make dust. It's got good compression. It's got a good air filter. This is a little bit worn. And some nice person gave me this 14-inch blade diamond to help sell it. So that is it. Pretty nice one. We're making a little price profit. I think it was like 20 bucks at the scrapyard. It's already in the crush pile, or push pile where they pushed it in. Yeah, luckily it didn't get any more damage than it did, which is none. Kind of cool little find. Everybody keeps asking me to find them concrete saws. Cleaner air filter. There she is, sharpened blade, cleaned halfway decent. Put a decent used air filter on. This is gonna sell us real cheap because we don't have the right bag. It's got the hooks over there. So, little scrapyard special. Quick sale, quick. Get it gone. It starts on the first or second pull. It's got automatic choke. And scrap pile, will she run? These are always supposed to be holding their value because they're basically the same thing made over and over again for years. It says Miss Chickacanic. Let's see what we can do here. Let's pull out the scrap pile. And she got compression, she's got gas, Pull the choke. Oh, the primer ball's bad. Here's where she was. Let's see if we can start. Yep, she'll fire right up. Dump some gas on the carburetor using the gas cap. Put some on there and dumped it. There she is. She's fired right up. So, get her out of here. Starts right up. Pull the core without even priming it. Starts right up. Scrapyard, find Echo backpack lower. There you go. There we go. Gas on the carburetor, as you see, is leaking out there because we put too much in on purpose. See, she fires up. Fired right up. So we got Echo. What model is this? This is an old one, but it runs. And these you both put in the cover, and obviously run on its own after we put regular gas in there. This thing runs. It just got a bad wheel that's broken out. So we're gonna get it out here. This is old post going after today. They're cool. And we dragged this to the side. Been sitting outside for a long time. That works. Gas tank's pretty clean. It's got compression. So we're gonna drag it out. See if we can get it going. Definitely old. Here's the numbers inside. Of course, you gotta always find the dryers. You can get all the money out the dryers. They hide tons of money in them.